Come test drive the 2017 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, power windows, trip computer, remote power door locks, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, daytime running lights, power mirrors, rear wiper, privacy glass, rear spoiler, adaptive cruise control. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.